Ashley, the monogram mompreneur. In today's video, I have a little helper. Can you say hi?
Hi.
This is Emerson, my daughter, and she's gonna help me show you how to monogram a beanie. It's super easy to do, and she's gonna help me today. You excited?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's get started. Okay, so what'd you say? Yeah, we're gonna use the embroidery machine. I'm gonna use some sticky stabilizer, and I'm gonna use my rounded edge hoop.
That's a hat thingy.
Yeah, we're gonna put the hat in there.
And we're gonna make a monogram.
Make a monogram. Ooh, be careful. Okay. You did almost fall. Okay. Yeah, Mommy's hair is a little messy.
Your hair's pretty.
Thank you, baby.
Just like my hair's pretty too.
Alright, so what color monogram are we going to do?
Pink.
We're going to do white with a pink hat.
White.
Okay, so I'm just going to place the sticky stabilizer on.
Sticky stabilizer on.
It's a little, I'm just quickly doing this today. No precise.
Mommy's cutting it.
I am cutting it.
And Mommy's my favorite mom.
Am I your favorite mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm just using my sticky stabilizer.
And Mommy's helping me.
Okay, so this is my fast frame with sticky stabilizer on it.
Let me help her.
That's right, you're my big helper today. This is just a beanie from Target. I think it's Cat and Jack, just their basic brand. And there's a seam in the back, so I'm gonna go to the front. We're gonna go towards the center area. And so this is perfect for these beanies because I'm just gonna slide it on. So I'm not really gonna mark it because I kind of know where I want it anyways. And I'm just gonna make sure it's centered. That's right. Make sure the seam is lined up. Make sure it's not pulled too tight. And then we're gonna put some clips just to keep it in place.
I want the pinks. Pink.
And then it's just gonna go like this. And I'm not worried about stretching it because these beanies stretch. So. Alright, so I'm going to put my monogram right here in this middle section, so let's put it on the machine. Okay, so we got the embroidery design, the monogram loaded. I forgot to oil my machine, so give me 1 second. I am going to put a sheet of tearaway underneath, just because this sticky stabilizer is a little thinner than the World Widener or World. You're doing a good job helping me. If you notice in some of my videos, most of my videos, I do everything upside down. That's just how my brain works. So I'm going to rotate it 180 degrees to make sure the monogram is upside down. And we're going to put some water soluble topper on top. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go edit end. Let's move it down a little bit. You can see my stuff is tight, but it's not pulled or distorted. Okay? So let's trace it. It cut off on me, but don't forget to add your extra tearaway. It's gonna make a big difference. Okay, I'm gonna cut it and place it right over the plate. You see, and then it's gonna be in between the needle plate and the fabric. So now I'm just gonna go back over because I forgot to add that extra. You can touch it, okay? All right. So much better. So I did 1 layer of sticky and 1 layer of tearaway. What is it? Is it done?
Our monogram is done.
Okay. So we have it done.
So we're gonna do something else.
We're going to take it off and see how it looks.
Fabric.
Ooh, what do you think? Good. Okay, come on. Okay, so we're going to take our water soluble off. Ooh. And then we're going to take it and gently pull our tearaway we added.
Yes.
I will say I did have a few little loops, and I feel like I just need to change my needles. My needles have not been changed in an embarrassingly long amount of time. So you need to make sure you have nice sharp needles. And so I'm just going to go through, you can take tweezers, but I'm just going to use my fingers. And so there you go. I'm going to try on her kid's hat. We'll see how this fits. I have a big head.
Mommy, this fits so good.
So cute. You want to try it out? So that's it. That's a pretty easy way to do it. Super simple. And so I didn't use cutaway just because this is going to go like on the part. I just didn't want to irritate your head. I would say overall it did a pretty good job. I had a few little loops, but I feel like if I would have changed my needle, it would have been so much better. Looks good. It's so cute. All right, well that's it for today. And so you can use this technique for the brim of the hat or the folded type too. You could even use a cutaway for that, but for the type that touches your forehead, I like to use a tearaway. And it is so cute. She's posing. All right, can you tell them, see you next time.
See you next.
Bye for now.